Here's the image I sketched up, well, drew up, and it's basically from the show. I think this is the last arc in season 1, the battle, I believe. I'm not 100% sure. I'm not a full-on Demon Slayer like fanatic. I watched the whole season, but I only watched it once, so can't remember fully what arc this was, or what scene. If it was from, it was not from Mugen Train. I know for a fact it wasn't from Mugen Train, but we're gonna do this in the leftover part after doing the Zoro rug. This is what we're doing. Gotta send it to the computer, flip it, put it into the SD card to the projector, and then we trace it up, and then we'll start probably tomorrow though, because it's super dark because of daylight savings. And I do have a ring light, but I have to find the cord, and I'll find that tomorrow just in case we finish the rug in one day. I don't think so, but you know, we'll do it. Alright, now that I've got the image onto the projector, I had to use a little bit of counterweight on top of my projector, because I don't know, with this tripod, the projector just doesn't come out straight. So I wanted to make it as straight as it possibly could. I think I nailed it. So now I fixed the stands, and these are detachable stands, and they can be flipped upside down as well. So that way I'm never hurting my back, which is perfect, because you know, you gotta be ergonomically correct, you know what I mean? So let me just trace this, and then we'll start tomorrow. It's way too dark, and it's not even 6 o'clock yet. Fucking daylight savings is messing me up. There it is, it's done, and it looks fucking intimidating. I ain't gonna lie to you guys, this looks very scary, but I'm ready for the challenge, and I hope it comes out as clean as I made it on the tablet. So today, we're gonna start on the rug. I may have started last night, and yeah, sorry about that. I kind of was bored. I didn't think I was gonna do it last night, but I was so bored. I was like, let me just work on it a bit. And working on it a bit, I actually did quite a good amount of the black. One thing I did notice though that I'm gonna have to fix on the frame again, another thing that I have to fix on this frame is the tacks on the tack strip on the frame. There's not enough tacks for it to capture the, like, there's right here, there's an empty spot. So when I was tufting right here, it was like getting sunk in, and it wasn't sturdy enough. And then especially in the corners of both sides, the ends are ass. Literally, look at that tension, nothing. And here as well. So it's, I think, 3. But I hate the new daylight savings that just happened on Sunday, which we got an extra hour of sleep, which is cool. But it's terrible during the day. It's already look like it's the sun setting, and the lighting is just so bad now. So I have a ring light, but I had to find the cord, the tripod for it, so you guys can have better lighting. And yeah, I don't know, I just get kind of annoyed. But right now we have some decent lighting, I guess, somewhat. So we'll just get started. I'll stop fucking talking, we'll just get going and finish up the black. Dude, see, this is what I'm talking about. There's no... Alright, so I finished the orange, the burnt orange. I actually had to, after I finished the orange, I actually had to go back and get black and put in a little bit more black on these ones because the orange was just so strong that it was actually covering these little black dashes in the hair. So I just put a little bit extra black in these ones, and then I double layered the strokes in the hair on these ones for the yellow because I just want to make sure that those strokes are very prominent when the actual color goes in. And then I'm determining whether or not I want to do varsity yellow. I think this is varsity gold for his hair, or very bright yellow hair. I have to look at the picture because I'm using burnt orange for the his highlights, I guess you can say, in his hair, and then I'm using bright orange for his gown cloak. So yeah, I'm trying to see if this burnt it's not burnt, it's varsity gold goes with the hair, or bright yellow goes with the hair. So I'll see what you'll see what I pick, I guess. And that's gonna be it for the Zenitsu rug. Unfortunately, I'm gonna just say it already, the rug is off, and that is on me. That is my mistake that I made. I didn't measure out everything before I glued everything. One side's bigger than the other. I think it's an inch or an inch and a half. Not inch and a half, it's half an inch. It's either an inch or half an inch off on both sides. So one's bigger than the other, but I did fix it up a little bit, so I think I dropped it down to half an inch or less than half an inch. Not 100%. I am selling this for very cheap because I did mess up, but it still came out really clean, and it's not as noticeable until you're right above it and like people are like inspecting it. So if you just put it in a spot where you're just gonna have it, people aren't gonna pay attention really. It's gonna be like, oh, that's a sick rug. Yeah, like I said, it's gonna be cheaper because I did mess up. That is on me. So if you want to get this, it is on sale on my Etsy page. Hopefully one of you guys can grab it, and then you guys can tag me on Instagram if you guys did buy it. Thank you guys so much for watching it. I will not make that mistake again. I will try and fix my mistakes. We do have a new one coming out. It's probably gonna be my biggest rug I've made, so stay tuned. And I'm so excited to do it. I'm geeking out gonna make this one. So see you all in the next one. Make sure you hit the subscribe if you want to see that next video. Peace, love, and stay safe.